light bird watchers, people that basically have large estate but are looking for a product that is really quiet and really has no combustion.
The Electric Commander is not for everyone, but for those looking for this type of vehicle, it was a unique, fun machine to ride. The machine is 100% electric, producing 30 horsepower, and has a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour. The electric power generates incredible torque, so for work and load applications, it is a winner. Depending on the batteries you choose, either lead acid or lithium ion, you will get anywhere from 20 to 160 kilometers on a charge, depending on the conditions. The lead acid batteries will take 8 hours to charge, while the lithium ion can be charged in 1 hour. You can choose between 2-wheel or 4-wheel drive, and there's an E-lockable rear differential. Looking at it or sitting in the Electric Commander, you will not notice any difference between it and the gas-powered. However, as we found out when we were ready to roll, and we asked Gilbert to start it up and go, he told us it was already running.
Start. Well, it's already going.
Yeah, it's already on.
It took some getting used to because out on the trails, other than a slight hum from the electric motor, the only sound you hear are the tires crunching on the gravel. Obviously, the collaboration between BRP and the Center for Technology Advancement is producing great things. We can't wait to see what's next.